Welcome back. In the previous video, I showed you how you can create offer, how you can adjust your pricing on your offer, and so on. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to instantly buy and sell on the exchange itself. Remember, I told you that Crypto Locally is a P2P exchange. This means that Crypto Locally enables users to trade directly with one another. This makes transactions simple, fast, and doesn't require any trading skills. Even a newbie into cryptocurrency can easily use cryptolocally.com to buy and sell cryptocurrency. First of all, you should know that other exchanges out there charge about 2 to 3% of every trade you make. But on Crypto Locally, the fees are extremely cheap. So unlike other exchanges that charge up to 3%, like Coinbase, Crypto Locally only charge 0.99% for your transactions. That's one of the lowest you can get on any platform. Let's flip back to the exchange. Let's say I want to buy USDT. We are going to use USDT as an example again. Remember, you just need to come to the right part of the website here, type USDT, and then you can click this. The next thing you are going to do after selecting your coin that you want to trade, then you click on buy, right? So you can see that up here we have options. This is to filter out all the offers that are readily available for you, right? So first of all, we have select sorting method. We want to sort by price. You can sort by reputation of the sellers and the buyers on the exchange. You can sort with the most recent sellers and buyers on the exchange. You can sort with the last active buyers and sellers on the exchange. But for now, we are going to be using price, right? So select method of payment. You know, we have several methods of payment on Crypto Locally. So I'm going to be using bank transfer. My location is Nigeria. So I'm using Nigerian Naira to buy USDT. We have somebody that wants to sell each USDT for 491 Naira. All I'm going to do right now is to click on buy. So this is what you have. We have open trades. You can see buy USDT using Nigerian Naira, right? This is the price the person is willing to sell USDT to me. Now, receiving accounts. I will have to paste my USDT wallet here. This takes me to another point of Crypto Locally being a non-custodial exchange. Unlike other exchanges that help you hold your funds on their platform, which might be susceptible to hacking or even restricting users from accessing their funds due to some reasons, Crypto Locally do not hold your funds. You have 100% control of your funds and it is absolutely safe. So right now that I'm trying to buy USDT with my Nigerian Naira, you can see that the exchange is requesting for my USDT wallet, right? So this means that the exchange is not receiving the USDT on my behalf, right? When the seller is initiating the trade, he's sending the USDT directly to me. All I need to do here is to paste my USDT wallet here. Remember, there are two types of USDT wallet. You can have the TRC20 address and we can have the ERC20 address. Make sure you copy the right address. When you're making transactions, don't confuse TRC20 wallet to ERC20 wallet, right? Because I chose TRC20 wallet, so I'm going to be using my TRC20 wallet address, right? So I'll paste it and then I will validate. So once I validate, you can see that your account has been verified. This is to confirm that the wallet I actually pasted there is a USDT wallet. So I will have to confirm that this is my wallet. If you don't have a wallet address, the exchange can provide that for you by clicking on this check it out. So the next thing is the trade amount. I'm trying to buy 50 USDT, right? So with 50 USDT, I will need to pay 24,574 Nigerian Naira. So I am okay with that particular pricing, right? I'm going to click on publish offer and then this is what we have here. So right now, this is where we are going to agree to the terms of trade. The main purpose of this page is to just be able to communicate and to agree on terms of trade with the other seller or the other buyers. So I'm going to agree on terms. You'll be redirected to the next step once your trade partner also agree on terms. So now that we have both agreed to the terms of trade, this is time for the seller to fund the escrow wallet. So what do we mean by escrow wallet? Escrow wallet is designed to protect both the buyer and the seller. Now that I want to buy, how do I know that the seller is going to send the USDT to me? This is why the escrow wallet is important. So a wallet address will be provided to the seller so he can send the 50 USDT into that escrow wallet. If the seller do not fund the escrow, do not send any money out to the seller, even if the seller has provided bank details or any payment method that he prefers. Please don't send any money out until the escrow is funded. So if the escrow is not funded or the seller is not responding, you can click on report user. So Crypto Locally will reach out to the seller and see what is currently going on. As soon as he credits the escrow wallet, the exchange will notify me that he has sent the money to the escrow wallet. So in other words, I'm going to also complete my own part of the transaction, which is to send my Nigerian Naira through his preferred method of payment. Make sure that the seller credit the escrow wallet before sending any money out. And when the escrow wallet is released, the USDT will be transferred automatically to the wallet address you provided initially when you were initiating the trade. This way, the seller and the buyer are both protected from fraudulent activities, because it is until the escrow is funded before the buyer will send money to the seller, and as soon as the seller receives the money from the buyer, the escrow will be released to the buyer. And that is one of the reasons why P2P transactions are entirely safe. Because Crypto Locally makes use of this method, this also makes Crypto Locally a safe exchange to use. Now that the seller has funded the escrow account, all I'm going to do right now is to complete my own part of the agreement, which is to send 24,500 to the seller's bank account. Now that I have sent the amount to the seller, all I'm going to do right now is to click on I have paid, because I have sent the money to the seller. Once the seller receives the money in his bank account, he's going to release the escrow for me. And remember, the escrow will automatically send the money to my own USDT wallet. So now the seller has released the funds from the escrow. As you can see, successful trade. So a total of 50 USDT will be credited into my USDT wallet that was provided when I was initiating the trade. Trade is successful. So right now, I just received the USDT in my wallet. This is how simple it is to buy cryptocurrency with your local currency on cryptolocally.com. Assuming a friend gave me a referral code when I was registering on this platform, right now, I just made a trade of $50. The friend will get 1% of that $50 in GIV, which is the Crypto Locally's native cryptocurrency itself. That's all. That's how to buy on Crypto Locally.